Hello everybody, how we doing today? I hope everybody's alright. So, in order for you to find the Max Revive recipe in Pokemon Arceus, because I haven't seen it anywhere, you're going to actually finish your Electrode, that one right there, the Electrode mission. Once you finish it, you'll get a new mission, which will be the Slumbering Lord of the Tundra. Once you get that and you exit this door from Jubilife City. Alright, so once you exit the Galaxy Hall, you're going to go over here to your right in Jubilife City. And you're going to talk to this guy right here, the one that crafts the stuff for you and all that. Yeah, he's going to have the recipe after you finish those missions, the Electrode, and you start the new one. So once you exit, talk to this dude right here, go to crafting recipes, and I already purchased it, but it's going to be right over here. Max Revive.